TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. These are the plans for the Trestles, okay? These are the plans for Arthur's Trestle Design and Dimensions, okay? So here we got, I drew it out with the square. Already got trestles made already, but I didn't have it traced out. I was just doing it off the dome in my head. So now, you know what I'm saying, I laid it out. Okay, I was doing all the math in my head, man, okay? All the math in my head. So this is what we got. The trestles is gonna be 7 inches high. Okay, 7 inches high. That's the length of the top of the trestles there is 7 inches high, okay? The base right here is an inch and a half, okay? Then it's gonna be sitting on this plate. This plate is 1/4 inch. And then from here to here is 5 inches, okay? This piece here is gonna get a lap joint. See, it cuts out. It's not gonna get cut out. I'm gonna build it like this. I was cutting them out. I was building just the actual beam and cutting them out. Now I'm gonna cut the pieces to size. That's why I, put these plans together. And this plan is to scale as far as height is concerned. As far as length, it's not to scale because it's 47 and 3/8, the total length. Okay, and plus I'm gonna put on some shoulders on there so I can add an inch on both sides. Okay, so this is the design for the trestle. These are 1/4 inch pieces here. Actually, when I build it, I'm going to be putting the pieces on here. I don't have to, but I'm going to be doing it for you guys. And for you guys that's getting into woodworking, it's always good that you work with a plan and use plan. All of this stuff right here, I did off the dome in my head. I didn't have any plans for none of that stuff. I didn't even do any math. I was doing the math in my head, man. 3/8 and 3/8 is 3/4. You understand? 5/8, man, and 1/8, man, is 6/8. You understand? And stuff like that. You know what I mean? Just doing it off the dome. And usually when I do building, because I haven't been doing building in years and years and years, so let's just get back into this, that I do plans. You understand? So this is the plans that I drew. Okay, you take a look at it, and I'm going to be putting these pieces on there. This is the scale, so I can put these pieces on there. They're 1/4 inch. I cut these pieces out. This is those boards that I had got. That pine smells fantastic. Okay, 1/4 inch. Okay, actually, this one is a little bit higher. Okay, let me flip it around. Okay, one side's a little